Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Tipalti for service payments and tax compliance, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Tipalti for service payments and ensure tax compliance, begin by logging into your Tipalti account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can view your payment information. Select the withdrawal option, which is typically located in the main menu. Review the available payment methods listed in your account. Choose your preferred withdrawal method from options such as bank transfer, PayPal, or others. If using a bank transfer, input your bank account details accurately, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check that all information is correct to avoid any delays. For PayPal withdrawals, enter your registered PayPal email address. Next, confirm your withdrawal amount, ensuring it meets any minimum withdrawal requirements. Read through the terms and conditions related to withdrawals so you understand any potential fees involved. Once you're ready, click on the Submit button to initiate the withdrawal process. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been processed. Track the status of your withdrawal by returning to the payment dashboard. If necessary, check your email for any updates regarding your withdrawal request. Now, let's address tax compliance. Access the tax settings section within your Tipalti account. Verify that all required tax forms are completed and submitted. Depending on your location and services provided, you may need to provide specific tax identification information. Ensure that the tax forms submitted align with your country's regulations. Tipalti will typically provide guidelines on which forms are applicable based on your services. Make sure you check any deadlines associated with tax compliance to avoid penalties. Once everything is properly set up, you can rest assured that your withdrawals are aligned with tax regulations. Regularly review your tax information to keep it updated. This will help you maintain compliance and protect your earnings. Once your funds are successfully withdrawn, you can expect to see them reflected in your chosen payment method within a few business days. Complete this process diligently to ensure smooth and compliant transactions with Tipalti. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.